Growers have long recognized the benefits of quality supplemental lighting. Both scientific and anecdotal evidence have confirmed the strong correlation between light intensity and the rate of photosynthesis, with crops delivering maximum yields at the optimum light level for that particular plant. The uniformity of the light distribution is, however, equally important for optimized yields. For this reason, growers should be looking at both the light output and light distribution when selecting the best supplemental lighting for their application. Another key criteria in the decision is the efficiency of the light fixture, which can greatly impact energy-related operating costs. The NXT2 is a high-performance luminaire designed to deliver optimum light output and efficiencies with years of maintenance-free operation. The NXT2's robust cast aluminum housing is engineered for years of maintenance-free operation. The integrated heat fins, in combination with a unique breathable membrane to prevent dust ingress, deliver optimal thermoregulation for long-term operating reliability, and the vertical orientation of the housing ensures minimal shadowing on the crop below. The NXT2 can be used with the alpha, beta, or asymmetric reflector to ensure the optimal light distribution in every application. In combination with the alpha reflector, the NXT2 delivers a wide field of illumination to produce industry-leading uniformity, enabling growers to achieve optimum light intensity evenly across the surface of the crop with fewer light fixtures. Given the dimensional nature of taller crops, directing light deep within the canopy to reach the lower leaves is typically a challenge. The NXT2, when used with the beta reflector, delivers a more focused field of illumination between 0 and 45 degrees in the lower hemisphere, producing uniformly deep light penetration into the canopy below, with a phenomenal efficiency of 92.0%. The asymmetric reflector is ideal for use along the outer walls or pathways, since it allows for light to be directed only where you want it, on the crop, rather than wasting it on the walls or the floor. With its ideal combination of robust functionality and exceptional photometric performance, the NXT2 delivers optimal lighting quality with fewer luminaires. To learn more about the NXT2 and how it can help you grow, visit pllight.com.